Hi everyone, what do you say? Glenn here in Taiwan. And as you may know, we had a pretty bad earthquake a few days ago here. So thoughts and prayers go out to those people who are affected. Where I am, I'm fine. This place was rocking and jumping, but we're fine. I wish the people who were directly affected can get back to normal. And it just goes to show that no matter how bad the situation is, it can always get worse. So keep your heads up and move forward. So, and then also before I talk about what I want to do today, I wanted to give a shout out to Jerry S. Hodges for his donation. Thank you, sir.
All the periodic hissing in the background is road traffic, mainly buses. Not much I can do about it.
Piece of 1/2-inch stock. It's about 7 inches long. And I just want to try something that I don't remember doing, and pretty, not simple, but maybe not too difficult, is I want to punch a hole and then drift that hole somewhere along this, and then I want to taper out one end and then try to pass that end through that hole and tighten that up. So if I was to draw it out, maybe you get on this side. What's funny is I write left-handed, but I swing a hammer with the right hand, so yeah, who knows. So basically, I've got that stock, and then I want to, punch and drift the hole on one end, and then I'll taper that out, and then turning it towards a side view, I want to try to make it go something like this, where it passes then through itself like that, and then maybe, depending on how that looks, then maybe kind of square that up, maybe. Something like that. I don't know. Yeah, it's just going to have some fun as usual and see what happens.
started to mar that tail end as it was curling around and hitting the side of the hardy hole on the inside. I apologize for this being out of frame a little bit. The inside of that tail was a bit ragged, so I took my angle grinder to it and eased the edges a little bit. I decided to make a wall hook out of this. I'm countersinking for holes, which I'll drill off camera.
So there's the finished piece. Come in for a little bit of a close-up here. And while I wouldn't brag about this piece and how it came out, I can definitely see how this passing through would be very decorative in some pieces. You know, this piece to me seems a little bit odd, but it did actually come out according to how I thought it would come out though. But for some reason, it's just not as appealing to my eye as I thought it might be. But like I said, in other pieces, this might have much more appeal. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thanks a lot. I'll catch you guys next time.